Welcome back. So this is my Xiaomi Pad 8 and it is connected to the Xiaomi Focus Pen Pro. And now I'm going to add a type note. Oh, sorry. Okay, so inside this type note, I will add a handwritten note. Okay, so now let me try to write something. If you're lucky enough, you can see the bug. Okay, so let's try. Thank you for coming. Okay, you see the ng is not coming out. Thank you for coming. Alright, not sure why. Let me try other sentence. The quick brown fox jumps. Okay, the J is not coming out. The quick, well now the brown fox helps the quick. Okay, so the CK is missing, the J is missing, the NG is missing. So I think this has to do with the the way I write things. If I write slowly, step by step, it won't be a problem. But if I write fast enough, then there can be a problem, especially when it comes to letter that has some curve or maybe something like a C. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing. But this is clearly a problem, especially with this handwritten note within the type note. To me, this is something not very major, but for those that really use this kind of this kind of handwritten notes inside type notes, you have to take note on this. Okay. For the same thing, I don't think it happens on the handwritten note. Yeah, it's not happening. Thank you for coming. Okay, so the normal handwritten notes is working fine. That issues only happen on the handwritten note within the type note. Okay. Anyway, it's still a bug, and I hope Xiaomi can fix this because they are putting terrible software on incredible hardware. It's very ironic. Okay, so I hope they can do a better job and they can give more time to produce some better software down the road. They are famous for the software initially when they started the company, but now everything seems to be, subpar, not that polished and stuff like that. But if you ask me, do I still recommend this? Yes, I recommend this because the value of this device, the value for money of this device is incredible. And this kind of bug may not affect everyone, but again, it shouldn't happen. So yeah, hope that they can improve on this. Okay, now let me just try on the standard focus pen. I've just connected to this device. Okay, focus pen. Do the same thing. This is a type note. Add a handwritten note inside. Thank you for coming. Okay, same thing happened. So this is definitely a bug in this Notes app. So I hope that Xiaomi can fix this. And for those that do mind this kind of bug, then yeah, you better don't get this. But personally, I will still recommend this. Okay, because again, it's value for money. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.